The 10 best faceless video channel ideas for YouTube. Do you want to make the most of YouTube, but aren't up to being in front of the camera just yet? Have you been browsing the platform for inspiration and ways to create content without showing your face? We've got you covered in this video on the best faceless channel and video ideas for YouTube. Most of our ideas come with examples to help you get started. This video is part of a platform comparison test, and so has 3 parts with 10 ideas each. Welcome to Videos Ideas, your best source of ideas, how-tos, and more. Subscribe to Videos Ideas for inspiration, tips, ideas just for your niche, and similar interesting topics. Drop a comment and share your questions or thoughts as well. We feature our favorites. 1. Gaming. If there's one faceless video style that's ruled the platform for the last decade, it is gaming. It may seem like easy work, but faceless gaming videos require a lot from you. Besides being good at a game or entertaining with your commentary, you will also have to sit down and go through hours of footage to select the best cuts. It's grueling work, but it offers great rewards as a faceless YouTube video idea. Which game are you good at? Which channels have you seen doing really well? Strategy, RPG, arcade? Pick one and learn about the sort of videos that work well for that niche. 2. Top 10 lists. List videos are easily the most recognizable faceless videos. Whether it's WatchMojo or any other listing channel, such channels simply display photos or videos of the various components of their lists, with a narrator describing each through a voiceover. Although this is a highly competitive faceless field, making a top 10 video is fairly easy. All you need to do is make your script engaging and the voice clear. Remember the rule of 33, so niche down, research topics, and plan your channel now. 3. Arts and crafts. Small arts and crafts are quite easy to make on a faceless channel. You do not even have to speak. Just show the process of what you are making with some text as guidance on one side. Not only will you be building a niche audience, but you will also be making the video editing process easy for you. Just make sure you have the right expertise, or practice properly first before executing this particular idea. 4. Cooking. Food recipes can be faceless and require a fair amount of expertise. However, if you know what you're doing in the kitchen, making them is no big deal. Whether you want to add a voiceover or not is optional. Just make sure you're making recipes that people are searching for and that your thumbnails look good too. Cooking channels usually require volumes, or a defined niche that users know to turn to for a particular type of cuisine or cooking style. Consider videos about cooking tips, and find your niche, whether that's seasonal cooking, plant-based or vegan, cooking on a budget, weekly healthy meal prep, age-old favorites, or similar. Do you have any favorite channels in this category already? 5. Whiteboard Animation. Animation videos are quite popular on YouTube, with various whiteboard animators or illustrators using a voiceover or simple text to engage with their viewers and talk about all kinds of things. The competition's tough, but you could gather an audience if you have got the skills to impress. Consider Paddy Galloway and how he uses his simple format to rake in the views with stellar information. Making whiteboard animation videos is easier than ever now, thanks to online software and a universe of freelancers waiting for your brief. 6. Motivation or advice. Motivation and mindset videos are seeing a boom on numerous platforms, including YouTube as well. They typically involve a photo montage or stock videos with a powerful voiceover describing or narrating different details to the audience. While the content for such faceless videos is easy to find and gather, making them engaging might be a tad more challenging. You have to know what you're talking about to make your viewers listen. Learn to write a unique script that keeps a viewer hooked, yet builds up as they continue to listen too. There's also a channel like Motivation Madness. 7. Teaching. When it comes to knowing what you're talking about in faceless YouTube videos, you have to be doubly sure about it if you're teaching something. Students these days are turning towards YouTube to understand lectures easier or access topics they missed. If you have experience or great understanding over your topic and can explain it clearly with your voice and some references, making a teaching faceless video is quite simple. Just make sure you structure the topic well to make the teaching an immersive experience. 8. Point of view. Don't want to show yourself but have to show something around you? It is quite simple. Just make a point of view video. This particular trick can help you out in all sorts of faceless videos, from cooking videos to travel and more. However, a point of view video works best when you want to vlog or immerse your audience in an experience. Drop a comment with something you've seen or are wondering how to execute. 9. Product reviews. A major video category that falls under faceless video making is product reviews. Prepare a script before you start so that you can show that part of the product you want to discuss and talk about. Product reviews are simple and incredibly relevant. Adding some nice music and effects to the video can also increase audience enjoyment. Product reviews can be unboxing, in use, experience, and more. What are you thinking of making your channel about? 10. Unboxing. Similar to product reviews, unboxing videos just have you sharing something new or that you have recently bought. However, rather than having to use it and talk about it, you just have to unbox the product. It can be anything from an electronic item or a piece of clothing. Adding music, effects, and transitions can help you make the videos more exciting. Both unboxing and product reviews make for easy, faceless videos that are appreciated by the YouTube audience as well. This video was part of our platform test comparing digital video editing software. Click through to the next list of 10 for more inspiration on faceless channels. You have great ideas, and we're here to show you how to make the most of them. Subscribe Videos Ideas for inspiration, tips, ideas just for your niche, and more. Drop a comment and share your questions or thoughts as well. We feature our favorites.